And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with news in education. In the wake of low mathematics pass rates in consecutive years, the Ministry of Education will be rolling out several strategies this school year.
Permanent Secretary Kassan Troop today outlined two initiatives: extended learners and teacher support.
The announcement was made at the Education Transformation Oversight Committee press conference. Sandy Williams reports.
In August, the Education Ministry revealed 33% of Jamaican candidates obtained passing grades in mathematics, an 8 percentage point decrease when compared with 2023, a major concern for the Education Ministry. Permanent Secretary Kassan Troop says the ministry will increase time and task through extended learners and teacher support initiatives.
How that will unpack this year is that we have gone into the 245 schools, and that this includes 56 secondary level institutions. And we have pulled out their data in terms of their performance. We have looked to see how they rolled out their learning program in terms of the time allotted on the curriculum, on the timetable within schools to execute the syllabi for the assessments that they do. And we're going to be helping our schools to do that differently.
For example,
we have not done that well, right? Because when we looked at some of our timetables, our students were not getting the full sum experience. We also know that most of our learners do well because they go to private classes and extra lessons. That in essence is extended learning. So what we will do is to bring that into the formal process by increasing the time and task on the timetable to 5 hours of mathematics per week in these project schools that we are working with.
The initiatives will span across primary and secondary schools. Mrs. Troop adds that extended learning support will be provided through the ministry's learning kits and software.
We have gone into developing what we call these again, codes, barcodes, right? Where we're going to be putting across where we have our bus stops and spaces where students gather. We'll be putting up barcodes that they can scan and get practice questions right where they are. So there's learning on the go when they're traveling so they can maximize time and task.
The ministry will also be assessing mathematics teachers who will be provided with specific toolkits to improve the teaching and learning process for the subject area. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.